Birds, beaks, and claws. Birds are living things. Like other living things, they too need food. Most birds eat grains, fruits, and seeds. Some birds eat insects and worms. The beak and claws help a bird to catch, hold, and eat its food. Beaks and claws also help birds protect themselves from enemies. Different birds have different types of beaks and claws.
Different birds have different types of beaks and claws. Beaks. The beaks of birds tell a lot about the kind of food they eat. The shape of the beak is suited to the type of food a bird eats.